welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a very easy traditional soup. It's really nice. It's called egg soup in English, but then in TV it's called Kesen, Aleefu. I kept asking my auntie, where are they? What Kesen Zahana? So it's only a T person that can translate it for you. Look for a person around you to tell you where they are kissing as you are going to. Okay, so basically, this, as I said, like in a lot of previous videos, most tea soups have the same base. Most tea soups have the same base: pepper, locust, beans, and spices. Most of them have the same base. So we're going to do pepper, nunegbai, of course, ye, and I'm going to do a little bit of onions, a little bit of ginger, just for serene. Yeah, so just going to mix all of that in and then let our pepper boil. Next, I'm going to add 2 cubes of seasoning. As you guys can see, my eggs are already waiting on the side, and a full ladle spoon of palm oil, freshly made. So I let that boil for like another 5 minutes. Everything is well incorporated now to my liking. The next thing I'm going to do is beat my eggs to stupor. Beat my eggs to stupor to add fluffiness, and then we're going to pour that right into our pocho soup. Now you can see the lovely consistency. Now the only difference between this and putting egg inside normal stew is the traditional spices, eru and all of that. So guys, don't be worried. It's basically the same thing, and try this soup. Trust me. Oh no, try this soup and come back and leave a comment on this video. So yeah, just going to let that cook. Their eggs, nothing serious. And the next thing you're going to do is add your choice of vegetables. I'm using ugu today, but you can use normal vegetables, just Aleefu. You can. I'm using ugu sha. I've not tried it with any other vegetable, so probably in another video. And then I'm just going to mix everything together, and your soup is ready, guys. This soup is one of the easiest soups to make. It's tasty. You can, you know, add your pepper level, make it very hot, make it very spicy, or just leave it like just with plain tatashe. But whichever way, guys, this soup is a banger. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. My name is Mdevaan. I'm so happy that you dropped on my channel today.